Hi, good morning, community.
Morning, Vishal. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Doing well. Thank you so much.
Chetan bhai, good morning, welcome.
Morning, Chetan bhai.
Good morning, Ramani sir.
हाँ,
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
बटन बटन बराबर बंद करो ऐसा.
Chetan bhai is always smiling, yeah.
क्या क्या खबर है रमनी सर? बैंगलोर का क्या न्यूज है?
बस सब मजे में.
एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास.
We are all hoping that we will be able to recover out of this COVID situation soon.
Yeah, that is right.
that
आपका
is-
बैंगलोर से तो बम्बई में बहुत ज्यादा है.
So a lot of people in my own factory have been affected by COVID.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
There were a lot of people, no?
Yeah.
More than like that. 100?
No, in my company, number of employees are around 150.
अच्छा अच्छा. Good morning, boss.
गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग.
अरे सर हमारा ये किधर है यार? एजेंडा बनाने वाले सब.
हाँ, क्या बराबर बनाते नहीं एजेंडा. क्या क्या लिखते हैं क्या मालूम नहीं पड़ता.
हाँ, वही है ना.
क्या हो गया क्या चेतन भाई?
अरे क्या शाम को फोन नहीं आता है तो कैसा मालूम पड़ेगा मेरे को? नहीं, आनंद का फोन आता है शाम को. रात को फोन करते हो 9 बजे के बाद में.
Morning, Mr. Joseph.
Joseph ji, I think Joseph ji, hello.
नहीं,
तो आनंद साहब आपके पीछे जो पेंटिंग है, सब what is the speciality of the painting behind you?
अरे वो मेरे नेव्यू का केबिन में बैठा है एक्चुअली. फैक्ट्री में.
सर
he is driving a company called as One Wall. Okay.
I see. Okay.
He is an artistical company है. उसमें
हाँ.
specialty is that painting can be changed like this.
हाँ.
Oh,
अरे वाह.
There is a magnet at the back side.
I see.
There you can change the paintings.
I see. Oh, okay.
welcome Sriram bhai, welcome Hanumante ji, welcome Joseph sir.
High tech, yaar. High tech.
Good morning to all of you.
Good
गुड
morning.
मॉर्निंग सर. गुड मॉर्निंग.
चेतन वो चाय है, वो बाजू में चाय है क्या उसमें?
ये खाली रखा है तेरे लिए.
खाली है.
सुबह पी के.
आप ऑफिस पहुंचोगे बाद में चाय फील होगा उसमें.
ऑफिस में क्या, ऑफिस में आया तो सुबह चाय आता है ना ऐसा. आज तेरे लिए ऑफिस में आया हूँ मैं.
For me, this is a matter of much sentiment.
Yes. Today Joseph sir is very happy.
Good morning Satish sir.
Morning, Kazi bhai.
सुधीर सर, आपका वीडियो गया. सुधीर सर, हाँ आया.
Good morning.
सुधीर सर is our new director now.
Congratulations Sudhir bhai.
Oh, thank you.
Good morning, boss. Congratulations.
Good morning.
Satish sir, good morning.
Trying my laptop for the first time.
JJC Progress.
सतीश सर थोड़ा स्क्रीन नीचे कर लो तो फेस पूरा दिखेगा. ऐसे थोड़ा
ये
ऐसे.
ऐसा तो किधर से भी दिखता है फेस उनका तो.
बस परफेक्ट सर.
अरे यार उनका विशाल किधर से भी फेस दिखेगा.
नहीं, वो लास्ट में जो फोटो लेते हैं ना उसमें वो परफेक्ट आना चाहिए सर.
नहीं, वो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे होगा तो सेकंड फ्लोर पे भी दिखेगा.
अरे तुम्हारा बाल कट जाता है चेतन.
अरे मेरा बाल कट गया है.
हाँ.
बाल ही नहीं है तो किधर आती.
राम भाई गुड मॉर्निंग.
तरुण बंद है, बाल कट गया.
Mr. Ramani is perfect.
सतीश सर आपका शर्ट बहुत बढ़िया है आज.
Thank
बढ़िया है.
you.
ब्लू कलर का शर्ट मस्त है.
ये अभी कॉस्पा का यूनिफॉर्म बनाने का है.
Yes sir, blue, it should be blue. Light blue. It should be light blue sir.
आपका भी अच्छा है. डरो मत, आपका भी अच्छा है. विशाल आपका भी अच्छा है. टेंशन मत लो.
ये हम लोग यूनिफॉर्म हम लोग डिसाइड करके आए हैं सर. देखो लाइट ब्लू.
अच्छा सतीश सर, आपको एक काम है आज. सतीश सर, ये देखो, फ्रॉम टुडे वन न्यू चैप्टर कॉल्ड केरला वी आर स्टार्टिंग. ओके. And Bharati Engineering has made the head of that particular chapter of Kerala.
Very
So
nice.
Good.
Yeah, you just keep a watch when he arrives because I am on mobile factory.
welcome
मेरे पास
Dipesh
सब
bhai.
लोग दिखते नहीं हैं.
Dipesh bhai just joined.
Dipesh bhai, हाँ, तो Dipesh, you have to introduce. Dipesh, you have to
Anand-
introduce all members today, हाँ?
Okay. Anand,
हाँ, बोलो.
making the chapter, Dipesh has to make only minimum 30 members, huh?
हाँ, अभी केरला में वो बोल रहा है कि 20 मेंबर है, तो एटलीस्ट 20 लोग को तो उन्होंने मेंबर बनाया है.
Make such tough conditions. केरला के बहुत लोग दुबई में है, पैनल बनाते हैं, they can become our members.
Yes. 30 members, one chapter is made. ठीक है. नहीं तो दूसरे स्टेट में से इधर-उधर से खींच के लेने का.
तो उनको बोलो माइग्रेट करो.
टीम कोड का क्या करोगे आनंद भाई?
हाँ. अभी मैं मेरा जरा चाय का कप लेके आता है, जरा आप जरा बात करो तब तक. मैं चाय का कप लेके आता हूँ.
हाँ तो तेरा दिमाग चलेगा. Hello Dipesh.
हेलो सर, गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning.
Good morning.
साहब गुड मॉर्निंग. देखो चाय लेके ही बैठे हुए हैं.
साहब ने लिए, आनंद ने लिए तो हम भी लेने क्या ना.
लेकिन मेरे को बॉटल ही खाली लेना पड़ेगा.
Ramani,
हाँ जी.
one evening we want to have exclusive session with Vaibhav, huh?
Oh, sure. Why not?
Or exclusive, no, you don't have to come in the picture at all. He will be introduced by his mother.
Oh, sure. Why not?
Yes. Otherwise, if we call you, start talking about Modutech and Cosma. We don't want that.
Sir, Satish sir, actually last week we just completed our 1 year of Bangalore visit. It
Yes.
was 10th
Ah,
October 2019, 10th and 11 October, we were in Bangalore.
Correct.
And I think I got remembered, but I forgot to mention in our last meeting that we
No,
are-
but you can always celebrate any day. You can celebrate it today. You know, Joshi, Sriram,
yeah,
there is a big coincidence because last Sunday was birthday of my elder son.
right.
Today is birthday of my younger son.
Right.
Oh, really? Wow.
The doctor fellow's birthday is today.
I see.
So again, wish him
We'll arrange party
happy
later,
birthday.
sir.
Ab party dega na, we'll have a big party in Bangalore.
So wish him a happy
Ramani,
birthday
हाँ जी.
from all
my
of Cosmo members.
granddaughter, 11 years,
Uh-huh.
she's also a music connoisseur.
Oh, okay.
She has learned piano
Wow.
and now she is learning violin.
Oh, really? Excellent.
She plays piano very well
Ah,
and now she's learning violin.
excellent.
You know, it's like in your family,
Mm.
both her parents are engineers
Mm.
and she doesn't like mathematics.
Okay. that's the creative beauty of how the world is created.
It's a question of past karma.
Mm.
She definitely says, I'm not interested in engineering.
Ah.
Satish sir, art also one type of engineering.
Ah.
That is true.
Mhm.
It's an exact science.
Yeah.
In fact, there's hell of a lot of mathematics in it.
Yeah.
Hell of a lot of mathematics.
Fortunately, I used to play tabla
Mm-hmm.
5 years back. I learned around 5 years tabla,
Oh,
my
nice.
childhood days.
Oh,
So in that
okay.
also this talam and everything, rhythm
Ah.
talam, there is some calculations.
Right.
Yeah.
Lots of
Dipesh.
calculations.
Yes, sir.
When did you start manufacturing control panels? 5 years back? I'm trying to connect whether
3 years back, 4 years back, sir.
trying to connect whether that was the time you lost the habit of playing tabla.
Now, once I started my career, then now it was very difficult to.
Aji Saab, good morning, Naresh.
Naresh Kumar ji, good morning.
Good morning.
Naresh ji, namaste.
Welcome.
Namaskar, namaskar.
Welcome.
Namaskar.
Sanju, I'm using your laptop today. Huh?
Use it, sir. It is yours only.
Naresh ji, welcome.
Hi, Babu.
Namaste everyone. Namaste ji.
नमस्कार
Namaste to everyone.
संजीव सर खाली आप नीचे ऐसा उल्टा थोड़ा मूव करो नीचे तो ऊपर नमस्कार दिखेगा हमको और ऐसा है ना टीला ऊपर तक लेके जाओ
Hi, Shakir.
Hello, sir.
Good morning, Babu. Didn't see you.
Namaskar, Talsera Saab.
सर
Namaskar sir. Namaskar.
Good morning, Mr. Babu.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning sir.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Vishal ji, it is 11 o'clock now.
We are ready, sir.
We'll wait for some more people or
Yeah, we
2
are
minutes.
waiting for Anand bhai to back to on his seat. You can sit and-
good morning.
He's taking his tea.
Yeah,
So within 2 minutes we will start, sir.
sure. Yeah, Anand bhai is also back.
Good morning.
उनके आ जाएंगे, नहीं आएंगे तो फिर चालू करेंगे.
Morning.
Our number is 30 now.
Raji sir, good morning.
Good morning.
गुड
Pratap ji.
मॉर्निंग
It should touch 300 sir.
Rajesh, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
सर
Oh, how are you?
Fine, fine.
I didn't follow.
But गोयल साहब आपका वो डार्क आ रहा है, लाइट ऑन कीजिए, बहुत डार्क नजर आ रहा है आपका रूम.
Bright करो.
हाँ.
LNT
Nice,
का fuse लगाओ यार.
LNT का light लगा.
एलएनडी का लगा एलएनडी का
Who is the person with Asha's phone? Please start your video.
या अभी एकदम सही दिख रहा है गोयल साहब.
हाँ जी. Good morning बोलना पड़ेगा सबको.
हाँ.
Naresh, you look very fresh today.
I'm always fresh. बहुत इतने लोग कस्टमर
No,
के
no,
साथ
no,
मिलेंगे
no,
तो
you
वैसे ही
know-
फ्रेश हो जाएगा.
You know why you are
Kenya.
fresh today? Hello?
अभी हाँ बोलिए सर.
आज छुट्टी का दिन है ना.
अभी तो हम मल्टीनेशनल में 2 दिन छुट्टी मिलती है हमको. सैटरडे संडे मिलती है अब हमारे को.
नहीं, आज तो सब अपन क्लाइंट के साथ मिल रहे हैं सर
हाँ.
क्लाइंट एंड फ्रेंड्स
LNT
Correct.
हेलो LNT में बैठे बैठे बहुत दिन हाफ सैटरडे किया है. अभी आप लकी हो.
हाँ. फुल सैटरडे हो गया.
चलो गुड.
I think it's 11:03.
राजीव साहब आपने या
Sanjeev sir,
Okay.
we will start the program in time as per our traditions. Please, you can start the program. Thank you.
I hope I'm audible to all. Vishal, I'm
Yes.
audible?
Yeah,
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Once again, good and the very best morning to everyone. Indeed, it is a great pleasure for me to extend on behalf of Cosma Board warm welcome with open arms to all members for showing up to our 19th Cosmanar meeting. Well, today's topic is successful merger of Schneider Electric low voltage and industrial automations products and Lasser and Tobrow's electrical and automation business on 1st September 2020. First of all, L&T in India was not a small brand in terms of market share, customer service, excellent quality products basket. We can be proud that only this Indian company from our industry and country was leading, I repeat, leading and competing with all multinational brands. Past 2.5 years, that is from business transfer agreement, that is 1st May 2018. Every one of us from our industry was in
Vishal,
uh,
dilemma.
Vishal, kindly mute everybody, no?
Please mute. Okay. Everyone is from where industry was in dilemma as exactly how two brands, two sales, two channels go to market and focus on customer. It is simply excellent example of convergence and conjoined collaboration. Let us hear from Naresh Kumar ji a general manager and business unit head of L&T Electrical and Automation Group. Now, how they will align, leverage, integrate, complement their strengths and technical capabilities to benefit our members and country at large by this merged conglomerate. In a nutshell, how this combined entity will further strengthen core value proposition to all stakeholders. Naresh Kumar is a well-known personality amongst us and has been a strong supporter of COSMA initiatives all along. Let us all congratulate him in his position as a business head of ESP. Give him a good.
Thank you.
I know him personally since his early days of sales activity, but for others, let me give brief details of him. He graduate in electrical engineering. He has over 30 years of experience in construction, manufacturing, supply chain management, sales and marketing. He has executed end-to-end 2 greenfield manufacturing facilities, one in China and another in India, that is Baroda. He worked in China for 3.5 years and extensively covered China market. He then started his career with L&T Construction Group, ECC, and later moved to Crompton Greaves, where he was responsible for the marketing of electrical motors before joining L&T's current business group. Naresh has worked extensively across North, East, West, South markets in India, and even has an exposure of international markets too. He was part of TQM journey of ESP and has built ESP, the electrical standard products of L&T, and has built processes and systems in sales and marketing. He implemented CRM on the SFDC platform, integrating sales, marketing, and customer support to improve customer experience. Apart from all this, Naresh strongly believes in human values such as respect for business partners, change business management, and he is keen observer of the market. With this customary welcome address, I now bow before you all and give a huge thanks from the core of my heart. I also extend big thanks to all the COSMA committee board members who have been working very hard to make this happen. Special thanks to Kaji sir and all the senior people participating today, as well as the members of the COSMA for giving us motivation to host such meetings. I now request Naresh Kumar ji to take this session forward. Naresh Kumar ji, now it is yours.
Thank you, Sanjeev, for giving us such an elaborate introduction of myself. Okay, 30 years of experience could generally cover those kind of experience. So I'll take it in a, I'm very humbled, and I'll tell you this is generally happens with if you have a long career in one organization. I also I welcome COSMA committee, the boards, COSMA board, and all the COSMA partners. And I'm really thankful for giving me the opportunity to explain what has changed in our organization. I'm audible or no?
No, you're audible. You're audible.
Okay. So I had a small chat with Sanjeev, and then later on Kaji Sahab. And then they said, whatever you are explaining to me, why don't you explain to all the COSMA partners? And I took this as a very positive thing, because I believe that it is our responsibility as an organization responsibility to tell customer that what has changed in our organization from 1st September. Though I was trying to find out the platform, I covered almost 250 customers in last 40 days. Some of the webinars we could cover, but I could not ask more than this kind of a platform which has been given to us to explain this change. So I'm really thankful to the COSMA team and all the members who has given this opportunity to talk about this change. So, and this is our responsibility too, to explain what has changed, because you have put a lot of confidence on us. You have put so much love and affection on us, and it is our responsibility to tell you that how these are the things going to happen in the future. So let me start with something Sanjeev has already shared, but let me add something more to this. On though this has been started in 2018, but ultimately got culminated in on 1st September 2020 when L&T Larsen and Toubro has divested his L&T electrical business to Schneider Electric India Private Limited. Schneider Electric India Private Limited is SCIPL. So you will be hearing of the two names. One is called SCIPL, and another is L&T Electrical and Automation. Let me explain to you both the organization first to you. Now, Schneider Electric India Private Limited, SCIPL, what is known now it is a carved out of the Schneider Electric. Schneider Electric is a global organization in electrical energy. They call in energy and digital energy. It is a 27 billion euro company, and it's present over in more than 160 countries. Now, for India, they have called out a company called SCIPL, which has 67% stake is of Schneider Electric, and balanced stake is Temasek, which is a Singapore-based financial company. And this is what's called SCIPL. SCIPL has got essentially all the products and services and solutions what is required for digital energy and distribution of the energy. It is almost like equivalent of what L&T Electrical and Automations are selling in this market, or the Schneider was selling in this market. Now, when L&T has divested this business of electrical and automation, this has got merged, this L&T Electrical Automation business with Schneider Electric India Private Limited on 1st September 2020. Now, you will be a little bit curious to hear that why I'm using the word L&T Electrical and Automation. It is like this. We have requested L&T to allow us to use the name for 5 years, like Larsen and Toubro, L&T Electrical and Automation, L&T Safe and Sure. There are two reasons. One is that we would like to have a continuity of this business, because many of the projects, our name is approved, many of the approvals, our makes are approved. Projects have got a large gestation period, and it takes a lot of time to get, ultimately the project comes to the anvil. So to make that customer, what is called, to have a less inconvenience to the customer, or less disruption in the market. So we requested L&T for this kind of a arrangement, and L&T has agreed to allow us to use this name for 5 years. So the name will be available for us for 5 years. This is our mother brand name. Now, once this is available, the second level is that this is our category brand names. So category brand names, all of, because being you are our user of the product, you know, Omega breakers or C power breakers, D sign MCCBs, FNX switches, MNX contactors, MO contactors, changeover switches, capacitor duty contactors, starters MK1, all those products, these are called category brands or range brands. These are the part of the SCIPL. So these brands will be available with us for lifelong. And when I say these brands will be available for lifelong, it means all the brands will go through the product life cycle. When I say product life cycle means what? Product life cycle, it means the products will be available till this is growing in the market, till the customers have an affection and love for the product and they are approving our product, till we are able to see that the technology upgradation is happening for this product, retrofitting is available for this product, the spare parts are available for this product, and manufacturing of these products are available. So in nutshell, till you say that these products are not contemporary to the market, or you say that some disruption has come in the market, like I'm seeing some kind of a disruptions are happening in the world, though it is a very, very small chain garis, but people are thinking about creating a IGBT solution for all kind of a protection system, but it is too early. It is still under some startups, and ABB has tried something, but otherwise too late, too early. So I'm saying this kind of a disruption comes, then all the electromechanical products will go and see the different changes. But otherwise, the life of this product will be till this kind of industry is available, and or the market will say that this product is not required. So in the nutshell, what we are trying to say here is that Schneider has got a 2 range of air circuit breakers, L&T has got a 2 range of air circuit breakers, there are 4 range of air circuit breakers, but rationalization of this product will happen only when you or the market decides that rationalization is required. Otherwise, we are not having any intention to rationalize. or close or stop manufacturing. This is one part. Second thing, now when L&T Electrical and Automation got merged with SCIPL, how this is going to work in the market. You see, we have got a lovers of Schneider Electric product and we have got a lovers of L&T Electrical Automation product. The customer has got the choice. We believe customer has got the more power to select the product. So customer will see the value in the Schneider Electric product and customer will see the value in the L&T product, and they have got the choice to decide which product they should choose. So we leave the choice with the customer. Now, when I'm going to give the choice to the customer, how I'm going to put into action so that customer can take this, customer decides what he wants, and how I will see, how the customer will see, excuse me, how the customer will able to differentiate between the two brands. So it is like this. We have created a two engines in the Schneider Electric India Private Limited SCIPL. It is like a rail, okay, two parallel rails, and where one rail will be working on L&T Electrical Automation, another rail will be moving for Schneider Electric India, Schneider Electric products. Now, when I'm talking about L&T Electrical and Automation product, it means both the organization, Schneider and L&T, will have a two sales team, two business development team, two technology team, two channel partners, two customer support team. So what I'm saying that both the team, two IT different team. So our SAP or ERP systems are different. Our customer relationship management is nothing but where we have we capture the full data of the customer. So say suppose let us take example of Arrow. I take that Arrow has got the full data in our system, that what Arrow buys, when it buys, what he buys, which price he buys, everything. So this is called comes under CRM. So CRM is also different. SAP is also different. Sales is also different. Business development team is also different. Customer support is also different. Channel is also different. So when we have created a two different parallel system, so every engine will try to work on its own value. They will give their own differentiated solution. So like as a customer, you are looking for technology, you're looking for delivery, you're looking for the cost. So you have, as a customer, you are you can franchise your rights. I can say the rights is delivery, cost, price, delivery, cost, technology, customers approval, ultimate customer approval, after sales service, the training of the your team, training of your customer. So they are a very end-to-end. There are a large number of constituents where every organization creates a value. So both the things is in front of you by both the organization will give it to you, and you are the best judge to choose whichever the product you would like to buy. Similarly, if you specify Schneider, you will get a Schneider product. If you specify L&T, you will get L&T product. L&T channel partner cannot sell Schneider product. Schneider channel cannot sell L&T product. Similarly, L&T team will sell only L&T product. Schneider team will sell only Schneider product. So this will be running as it is for a continuity of the business. Now, the second thing is that when you say the mother brand will be available for 5 years, what will happen to that? So on the third year or fourth year, what we are going to see that we are going to create a new brand, and we will be approaching to you, to your association and to many other customers, where we will ask that what is the best brand, mother brand can be given. Though Omega, D-Sign, MNX and all those things will be available, but there should be some mother brand because we are going to run this organization for a very long time. And there we will create some brand, and this brand will continue for a very long time. You see, Schneider also, we are thinking that we are creating India as a fourth hub. There are 3 hubs of Schneider. One is France, another is in US, and third is in China. And fourth, we are creating in India. From India, we will be supplying to near about 60 to 100 countries, because it is believed, because all L&T Electrical and Automation products are patented products. We have more than 1,000 patents. Our products are not a copycat products. Our products are frugal, technology-wise very contemporary with the international market, as well as very low as a manufacturer, the very low cost manufacturing country like India. Second thing, India is among all the emerging market. You know, India is the best emerging market. And if you are successful in India and emerging market, you can be successful in other countries. So this is a philosophy which will be taking up to the all other countries, and the product of L&T will be moved, and you will see in most of the places. So it is also will give you the opportunity to all of you, if you are supplying to the countries like Myanmar or Africa or any other part of the world, you will find the full service support of this product. And that is why I'm saying, and I'm confident these products will be available for a very long time, because we are going to build up this product for many countries. And the second thing is that, and that is why when we are going to develop in for many countries, we require one brand name, because this will be the second range is not top and bottom, but is another range of Schneider which will be sold in this market. So that is why we are hopeful that this product will be available in this market for a very long time, because customers will love it to have this product. Another thing, you will be having a thought that how these products, when we are saying that it is running independently, then how this will be upgraded, technology-wise upgraded, how it will be contemporary as per the need of the customer. So what we have done is that R&D, research and development, we have more than 500 engineers in the 3 labs across India, and the manufacturing and the labs in the manufacturing plants. What we have done is that this is retained with L&T Electrical Automation Division. So if any tweaking is required, or any development of the product is required, or any need of the customer is there, all the things will be developed in our R&D lab, L&T Electrical Automation Lab, as we were developing earlier, and will be moved to all the customers, whoever is want. We have a very strong pipeline of the products. You know, we have already launched. You would have, some of you would have visited Electrama and would have seen we have already showcased all the products, and latest products is all on the digital platform or IT platform or the solution platform. So I can tell you the solution is IC61439 panel solutions we have come up. Now we have come up with another economical version of the panel like Enersys. We have got another is called third level of panel, which is called SMDB, where do it yourself, DIY, which is now very common in India, becoming common in India, though it is very common in Gulf countries in Africa. That is one. So 3 level of panel, bus bar trunking, again IC61439. We are now fully developed hybrid solution in power quality solution with AHF fixed and fixed compensation, and what is called variable compensation. So AHF as well as fixed compensation. So that is also in IC61439. Double break, drought, what is called plug-in. So DZ MCCB new platform we have built up. We have also now come up with the new motor protection relay, which is called IMCC, equivalent to the CIMA code and TCs of Schneider. So I'm saying we have come out with the SCADA, we have got energy management software. So many projects which is in the pipeline, or we have already launched in this one. So then in our engineering industry, it is called vitality factor, and our vitality factor is not going to be lesser than 20-21%, which is a very norm of electrical industry. So that is we are going to maintain, and seeing that if my customers are loving these products, are using these products, they should not have, though we will have a differentiated products, but they will not see at any point of time these products are not less contemporary than any other multinational or other products. So we'll make India as a proud, and we will see that how these products will be going all over the world. Now you will be asking one more question: why you guys are done like this? So the only reason why we have done like that is you see, in that building of the synergy is not easy, but this is we have done only because we have kept the customer in our mind, because we believe Schneider has also a very high customer centricity. So the L&T, both of the organization has worked in this country, and very aggressively we competed with each other. Both of us have a large customer centricity, and we believe that we should not leave less choice with the customer. So if our customers, because most of our panel builders, contractors, and other customers will believe, thinking that if these two, because both of us is to compete like anything in this market, if merged together, there may be some kind of a competitive disadvantage. To remove this fear from the mind of the customer and we decided to keep these two brands separately, so that our customers, our panel builders, our contractors, whoever is using these products, they should not feel anything less in their what is called choice, and they are still the way they are still be the king of this market, because we always believe the customer should take a decision, not the people who are supplying the material to them. So that what is called freedom or the freeness we have retained with our customers. And in the last, I will say this will be called as a business as usual, and you will not see any changes in both the organization. You will see, find out, at least for I'm saying about on behalf of L&T Electrical Automation, our team will be seeing, you will be seeing the same way what we are seeing earlier. Now you would have seen that Mr. Sanjeev, today I now use Sanjeev because now I'm Sanjeev. Sorry, I sometimes say Sanjeev, sometimes Mr. Sanjeev. So forgive me for that. So Sanjeev would have told that this business, he has congratulated me for the business unit. So I'm not saying that I become a big, but what he wanted or mean to communicate to you, all of you, that L&T Electrical and Business Unit is a very integrated unit, in the sense, like I'm a business unit head. I'm responsible for supply chain, manufacturing, engineering, quality, front office sales, business development, customer support, customer interaction. So what we are trying to tell over here, the customer, that nothing has changed in the L&T Electrical and Automation, and the one window, whomever is coming to you or my engineer is coming to you, will be the same way empowered for everything, for your pricing decisions, for your for what is called delivery, for quality, for after sales service, for business approvals, or anything. If you ask, he is the same person, will be the same, because this is an integrated unit, and being an integrated unit, everything is being empowered to the front line, and the front line can take the decision what they were taking earlier. So you will not see any change. And in fact, we are just launched a new CRM on SFDC. SFDC is a $12 billion company, and from there we took the CRM, and I implemented the CRM, and that should give the much more experience to the customers, and we will see that all the improvements will be coming in time. So that's all from my end, and thank you very much for patient hearing, and I'm sure that we will together will again because satisfy our customers the way we were satisfying, and we are also again mentioning to you that we have many things to share with you. And L&T has like one more word I would like to use. Our DNA is unchanged. This is what we ran the theme in our Lekrama, and we are still running through it. The same learning and training, lot of technology has been built up, power quality solutions, data management, software solutions, IC 6149 solutions. I'm seeing many things. If you want to do, we can run many of the programs. I'm already discussing with Mr. Kaji, and saying that what are the things we can do together to see that if somebody wish to have those knowledge. And you know, L&T, one more thing is that we never discuss about product. We most of the time discuss about systems, and we are sincerely put effort to see that all our associated partners and customers are being knowledgeable like us, so that together we can serve this industry better. And because all of us have got only one what is called vision or mission, to see that our customer is satisfied. If our customer is satisfied, then we don't have to do any other thing. So for that, if you need anything, we also, one more thing I would like to share, we have got the, in 6th November 2019, we got the Deming Prize Award. And I think, and this is my, when I visited Japan, I found that outside of Japan, we are the only company in the world who has got Deming Prize Award for this. And when I'm saying Deming Prize Award, what does it mean to our whole ecosystem, not only to us? It means, first and more important thing is that knowledge sharing. This is what our commitment to all the people, and that is what I touched upon it. It means better quality. It means better people management, people engagement, better customer engagement, better supplier engagement, and finally, understanding that the customer need is the most important thing for this. So this is also we can also share with you a lot of TQM philosophy. sales and marketing side, that is what customer side, how the TQM can be implemented. It is our forte, because that time I was handling sales and marketing. I can be of any help to you if you look for customer acquisition, understanding the customer need. They are a beautiful model called Kano model, and all those things can also be done for you. So whatever we have, it's all yours, and still you use us, leverage us, or the way you, and we are the same as we were earlier. So that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Over to you, Sanjeev.
Thank you, sir.
So if you have any question and answers, I will be happy to share.
Yes,
answers.
there are. Hi, this is Sriram Joshi.
Morning, Mr.
Secretary
Joshi.
COSMA. Yes, good morning. Thank you, first of all. And I just want to ask the questions which are in the mind of everyone, not a personal level. As you have said that Schneider ACIL has got now 2 rails or 2 engines. Yes, earlier time also Legrand or any other companies are having the 2 engines, but these 2 engine rails were serving the 2 different regions, or the 2 rails were never parallel. Now you are forcing us to get in the train of the same make, which are going the parallel and stopping at the same stations. So will you please elaborate more on this? Not it will be create confusion in the customers, because he will be in a dilemma which train he has to take, L&T or Schneider, because the target customer and technology wise, it is more of a similar kind. So that was the first question. And second question is that in a particular project where there are only 2 makes are approved, one is Schneider and other is L&T. So in that case, what will be your stand over that? So over to Naresh, sir.
Yeah, very good question. So let me start with that first question. You see, most of the time, customer, though the make is, what is the brand? Brand is nothing but a trust. It is some kind of a thing. When we say brand, it means what we are saying, we are going to do it. What we are saying, we are going to deliver it. And this is where the brand gets built up over a period of time. And you build up so you build up the trust for the Schneider product, you build up the trust for L&T products. And then the second thing is comes the relationship. Okay. And the last thing is comes with the differentiated solution. Differentiated solutions in the sense it can be in the price, it can be on the delivery, it can be on the after sales service, and many other things. So this on the 3 parameters, a customer takes a decision. So what I'm saying, when the customer takes a decision on these 3 parameters, let this choice be with the customer. Because I believe the 2 people are never confused. One is Indian voters, another is Indian customers. This is my belief. Though a lot of political parties does so many things, but ultimately what voters want, that only they come. And similarly, my 30 years of experience is customers also. The customer is very, very clear what he wants. So I'm saying when we have created this one, we have created this, that let the customer decide. Customer can be end user, customer can be panel builder, customer can be OEM, customer can be channel partners also. Because channel partners also say, I'm not seeing value in you, so I'm going away from you. That's also possible. So it is giving the responsibility to the organization to see that how you are creating a very differentiated solution. So I can say like L&T is recognized as a faster delivery guy. If I retain my faster delivery like that, what I'm doing, maybe I got a chance. I'm retained in the market as the best after sales service. If I retain those kind of a virtues, I become a choice of the customer. So I'm saying this choice leads to the customer saying that these are the things are available in front of you. Brand, okay, mother brand is SCIPL. That is a legal brand SCIPL. But your uses of the product is Omega, NSX, MVS, Masterpack, D-Sign, MNX or TC. So you decide which is going to be into your product, which is going to be there. So it is like leave the mother brand or legal brand, but what product you are using, that actually matters to the end user. And if end user is very clear that this product is going to stay for a lifelong or till product life cycle, why he will not choose? I'll give another example. I have a C power breaker, I have got a Omega breaker, but Omega breaker also we have got almost now 11, 10 years, but still it has not gone higher than our C power breaker. Because customers still believe that they want a C power, so NTPC or any other. If they say rugged breakers is required, they still C power. But ruggedness, if you see that there's nothing in the ruggedness in electrical distribution of energy, but still customer perceives that way and he believes is that way and he has experienced that way. So I'm saying this is one choice which will retain, which will try to give it to the customer and let the customer decide. And over a period of time, this is what we have created. We call it go-to marketing strategy, and this is what we have done. And let us see how it happens. And we both of us will be working in this direction. Second thing, if the panel builder, when both of us organization, I told you, say Naresh Kumar and my equivalent people come to you directly, you will call both of us. We'll be sitting outside your office, both of us. Both of us will not be knowing each other's price. Both of us will not be knowing each other's offers. Both of us will not be knowing what products we are offering. And both of us will not have any cost structure of both the organization, because both the organizations work independently. Like I report directly to the CEO and my KPI is the top line and bottom line. In between, nothing is there. So you have a full-fledged what is called power in your hand to negotiate with both the organization the way you were negotiating. And as a panel builder, let us say panel builder example, as a panel builder, what are you looking for? You are looking for the best price, you are looking for the best quality product, you are looking for the approval of the MATE, and you are looking for the best delivery. And as long as you are getting the approvals, delivery, price, and quality, you will decide which make you have to use, and the relationship, because and your channel relationship. All this basis, you will be taking a decision, and that decision is not going to change because of this merger. So you are going to, if you are, these are the 5 criteria, and you put the and these are the boxes, you put the tick mark. Who has scored the highest tick mark in the boxes, you will take a decision. So there is, so I'm saying we will not allow to have any confusion be created at the channel partner. Second thing, we will not be conniving or merging together to see that, okay, first order, let us take it from Arrow, the second order Schneider will take, third order L&T take. L&T will try to take all the orders, Schneider will try to take all the orders, because we will be fiercely competing with each other in the market the way we were competing earlier. So for you, again, I'm saying business as usual, and we'll see that there will not be any confusion as far as that my customers are concerned. I hope
Okay,
I
sir.
answered.
Yeah. Sir, in regarding the same, the market, what you have told, but Indian market is also a cost sensitive market. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
So, but now when the Schneider has invested so much to get the product, it's quite likely its expectations of returns will be very high. So in that tune, how you will see the further pricing of L&T?
You see, you are asked a very right question, because investment, when investment is there, and then people must get this investment out.
Returns.
So what we are saying that in India, we are already, you see, there is a concept called equilibrium in the country. India is reached into the very, very equilibrium condition where increasing any market share will not be easy, number one. And getting major price realization also will not be easy, because all of us working in the same ecosystem. So what we are deciding that if we are to take this business forward, L&T was not very strong in the export business. We were doing only 7-8% of our export. Now what we are trying to do is that if we have to, and this product has got a huge potential because of the cost, delivery, manufacturing, frugality, R&D. And we are thinking that how to take this product to the global market, how to take this product to the Bailey market. So there we are saying that this product must be taken to now a wings for the exports. And there we are trying to see that how this multiplier will be happen. So if you are doing X export, how to take it to the 4X, 5X, like that. Similarly, some of the product which Schneider may be seeing in the global area, the gaps, these gaps can be fulfilled by this product. So we are going to build up synergy there, not on the market side. We are not going to make money out of customer. We have to make money from our strategy. So don't worry, there will not be any price kind of a disadvantage to my. This is our assurance to all of you. There will not be any price. You will be same way negotiating like what you are negotiating, and we are not allowing us to earn anything. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for
Can I
your.
request Anand Bhai to ask the question? Anand Bhai?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll introduce myself. I am Anand Jaivan, one of the director of Cosma. And
Morning,
I
sir.
am
Yeah.
looking, good morning. So I am looking at the broader view. Basically, our Cosma is believing on the associations of associations. Okay.
Okay.
So as you said, you can get some leverage out of Cosma. Okay. And what I expect is we should have some association first with you as a equal partners, because our Cosma members are going to be 2,500 up to March. Okay, so it is a
that's good.
very high customer base of control panels and switchgears. Now, what I expect is whenever we go anywhere in the exhibitions, or we suppose we are going out with physical exhibitions on April and virtual exhibition in November also. So wherever we go, we want some partnership with you in exhibitions. This is the first thing. Second thing is we are also arranging technical seminars throughout the years. So you have explained that you have got lot many things technical to be given. So I expect a continuous 12 months program from your side on Cosma platform for that technical seminars. This is the second thing. Third thing is, see, our members are hungry for export market. So when I say the Schneider will get associated with Cosma in equal level, you should also give leverage to our customer or our members to get exposed to your all over India market, and how that we can sit together and decide. But when we say we two are the partners or associates, we should help each other in all ways. So this is my request to you on this platform. Over to you, sir.
This thing, because what I'll say in a this way that the demand, I'll not say demand, but your wish list, I say, is very perfectly is all right, and this will make us both to grow. Actually, this is a mutual growth strategy, if I can put it in this way. So as far as the technical programs are concerned, that is, there is no discussion on this. Wherever you want, we will do, because we do many technical programs, and we will be happy to do this. And I'll tell you why I said mutually growth programs, because when we do the lot of technical programs, we get a lot of feedbacks, and when we get a lot of feedbacks from the customer, we build up a lot of utilities on the basis of this. So this is always, we look forward to do this one. So there is no doubt about it. So whenever someone from your organization can I can give the name of my person, and he will be associated with you, and we can do this. Paresh Shah is our head of training. This one. Now, third part is sorry. The third part is that taking it that all our channel partner, our panel builders to the export market and all those things. This is also a very good proposal. Though we are starting now this journey, talking to this Schneider distribution organization all over the world. Give us some time, and whenever we see that opportunity, we will do it. So that is a marketing side. But to prepare the kitchen for getting into the export market, we require to have a preparation for building up our capabilities for those kind of a market. And that training programs is very linked to this. So this together, we will have a preparation for ourselves, and we'll be ready for getting into India, into the larger map of this world. And we are the right candidate, and we'll see that how this will be moving around the place. And the first point is, as far the exhibition is concerned, we are not this one for this exhibition. Digital exhibition is very welcome. We are now building up. Now I've given to my marketing communication to build up a digital exhibition kind of a products, and also that we can do. As far the physical is concerned, we are a little bit worried because of this COVID. Once this COVID gets over, we will discuss with you, and we will see that depending upon the utility and usefulness, we'll discuss together, and we will definitely do this one. So that's all from my side. And but in the nutshell, finally I'll tell you that we are with you, and we will definitely do everything whichever the best for both the organizations. Yes, sir.
Mr. Naresh, very good morning. My name is Uday
Morning.
Desai from Desai Power Control, Bangalore.
Yeah. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. My doubt is, in future, the L&T product will come in the name of only the L&T Schneider or L&T only? Packing.
And on the packing, you see, as per the LMA rule, packing material manufactured by, it has to come with the legal agency, Schneider Electric India Private Limited. So the packing, outside packaging will be Schneider Electric India Private Limited. But inside the product, inside will be like Omega, D-Sign, and all those things will be there. And so when you open up the product and when you are going to use in the panel, there you will see only L&T name.
Okay. In the outside packing, L&T Schneider.
The outside packing, only legal name is there. The outside packing, it will be written L&T Omega Breakers, manufactured by Schneider Electric India Private Limited. So you say L&T Electrical and Automation, you say like you got Omega. So it is like Omega Breakers, 1600 ampere Omega Breaker, L&T Electrical and Automation. And then it will be written manufactured by Schneider Electric India Private Limited. And then our factory name, same factory name, Vadodara Switchgear Factory, Gujarat.
Is there any near future this L&T brand is going to be vanish?
5 years. 5 years. Within 5 years, we have to return back that name and the new name will come. But category brand name like Omega, D-Sign, FNX, Changeover, whatever the name, TI, NSI, all those will be there for lifelong. So what my end user is seeing, sir, because both of, say, if you are a panel builder, I guess you are a panel builder, manufacturer.
Yes.
So if you are a panel manufacturer or system integrator, I can say, you will be, both of us, what will give to the customer will see the final product, like Omega Breaker he will see, or D-Sign MCC will see, or TI panel will see, or EI panel, or bus button. He will see the same thing what he was seeing earlier. So as an intermediaries, you and the channel partner, they will see the packaging where it is Schneider, but otherwise final product will be the same.
Okay. So that all the category will remain the same.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you understood right, sir.
Okay. Because earlier, what happened in the CG, they have taken out all the CG's categories. They made it as the Schneider only.
What is CC?
CG, Crompton Greaves. They took over Crompton Greaves also earlier.
CG, he means CG.
You see, I was also, boss, Sanjeev has explained to you, I was working with the CG for some time, but though I was not working in the switchgear, I was working in the motor division. You see, CG was a very small takeover. It was a 75 crore. There, the idea of Schneider was like this. That time, they were looking for the foothold in India through the channel partner. CG was very good in managing the channel partners. Okay. And that is why they could get many channel partners to sell their product, because that time L&T, Siemens and English Electric used to have most of the channel partners.
Yes.
But L&T, it is not like that. L&T, they are taken only because of the products.
Okay.
Because ultimately you are spending $2 billion not for channel, you are going to spend for the products.
Product. Correct.
Products, manufacturing, R&D, quality, those are the things you will spend. And CG was only 70 crores. So 70 crores is spent for channels, not for products.
That was almost 20 years back.
Yeah, 20 years back. And the CG product was also very old. The CG was using Weber Hunt product. Weber Hunt breakers, and Weber Hunt breakers were obsoleted long back, but they were still using because they were not developing. And then they were using the pot type MCCBs those days. So pot type MCCB and Weber Hunt breakers, those were already almost coming to the obsolescence stage. But L&T products are very contemporary. People are using this product and loving and have affection, and still you are maintaining the huge market share.
Correct.
And I'm sure your love will always be there for us. Yeah.
There is a question.
Next question from Mr. Jaipal Verma.
I think.
Please. We are unable to hear, I think, Jaipal.
You have to unmute, sir, Jaipal.
I'll read his question because we are unable to hear Jaipalji. When we visit to customer as panel builder, where L&T and Schneider both are approved, in that case, which make we propose to our customer, L&T or Schneider?
Again, my answer is same. It is up to you. You have to tick that I said 4 boxes, and in the 4 boxes, wherever you are feeling comfortable, you suggest to the customer.
His next question to you is which Mac products are better, L&T or Schneider?
Both. I'm saying again, you see, it is very today. This is a very right question. Actually, I love this question.
Yeah.
I'll tell you today, most of the products are contemporary products. Okay. If you look at the need, so what we have to look at the need of the customer. Product is all depends upon what is the needed. Like I'll give you the example. Which phone is better, iPhone or Samsung? No, Samsung is 1,40,000 phone. iPhone is also 1,30,000 phone, but both are overbooked. Both are not available in this country. Though we are saying we are poor country, emerging market and all those things. So I'm saying it is the beauty is an eye of the beholder. So what you are saying better or what the customer is saying my need. Like I say, give the example of sea power. You go to the power plant or go to the old steel mill. They say, Saab, without sea power, I cannot survive. You give me sea power only. Oh, rugged breaker, I can do the maintenance. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. So I'm saying now you go and tell him any point of product, they will not say. Similarly, coal mines, if you go, they will still ask for ML breaker, ML contractor. Though we wanted to obsolete these ML contractors for a very long time because we are not making money. It is a huge silver and copper. But my coal mines guys are not accepting another product. So if you go to coal mines guys, they say which product is better? They say ML contractor is better. You go to some other data center, they will say Schneider product is better. So I'm saying it is all depends upon individuals' relationship. I say the 4 tick boxes and the need of the customer can make a decision which product is better. This is my very neutral answer, not because I'm an L&T, because of my 30 years of experience, I'm answering you this question. Okay.
Any other questions, please?
Please come forward if you have any question. Anand
Hello?
bhai, yeah, Anand bhai, go ahead.
So this is again Anand Jeevan again.
Yeah.
Basically, again, on some broader view, I wanted to ask. See, we have come out with our Cosma website recently, and on this Cosma website will be it will be available to all 2,500 members of Cosma as well as to the outer world also. So there are some very less advertisements available slots. So I expect as a Cosma director, I want a commitment from you. So we want one advertisement from L&T and one advertisement from Schneider on the home page. That will be definitely advantageous to you also, and it is very subsidized rates. It is only 1,500 for the home page. So I expect your commitment on this platform. Yes, we will give. Over to you, sir.
Sanjeev, you want to answer my call on behalf of me? Sanjeev?
Sanjeev bhai.
When has Sanjeev joined L&T here?
Sanjeev has joined, but Sanjeev is always calling me and say, Naresh Kumar, I'm sending you for this advertisement. Tell Kevin to give me approval. Pucho Sanjeev Kumar se.
So he gives approval on your behalf.
Yes, he never asked me. Sir. Kevin comes, you know, Kaji साहब आप तो Kevin को भी जानते हो. Kevin आएगा पेपर के ये पेपर साइन कर दीजिए. बस वही साइन कर देना है और कुछ नहीं होता. तो इसलिए मैं कहा संजीव you answer this question.
हाथ में पेन पकड़ा देता है आपको.
पेन भी नहीं पकड़ाता. पेन के पैसे मैं ही खर्च करता हूँ सर.
So ऐसा पेपर हमको भेजना होगा जिसमें नरेश भाई साइन कर दे.
Naresh, we are Cosma people are fortunate. All the support we get, whatever we have asked for up till now. And then Kaji is also from breed of L&T only. So it is like, you know, mother home for him. So there is no doubt of anything what we want to take from you. Okay.
So my answer is to you, Shannon, that is, there will be always done this one. Always. You will, this is our commitment. As far the L&T is concerned, I'm not a boss of Schneider Electric, so I will go and approach them and communicate your sentiments and see that those advertisement also comes to you. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for your commitment. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Naresh. Any
think,
other question we have? Please come forward if anybody is having any question.
Ramni ji is there, Goyal Saab is there,
And,
Jay Bhai is
if-
there.
Hello,
if-
hello.
if-
A small question from Mr. Naresh Kumar, if I can.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, you gave the example of iPhone and Samsung. iPhone and Samsung, they are though two different entities, two different companies altogether. But L&T and Schneider now comes under one big tree, one big, there is a little confusion still on my mind. I mean, if I go to the customer as a panel builder, as a system integrator for taking the order against, in purview of L&T and Schneider both having approvals, still there is confusion because you are giving an example of iPhone and Samsung. iPhone and Samsung are two different entities, no single owner. But L&T and Schneider come under one tree, one एक ही छत है दोनों की, तो वो थोड़ा confusion है sir. You try to understand my sentiments and my confusion, sir, please. Vikram
Okay,
Joy,
no.
Vikram Joy, please. Sorry, yeah.
तो विक्रम जी आपने बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा, मुझे अच्छा लगेगा इस सवाल को जवाब देने के लिए आपको, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा इंटेलेक्चुअल सवाल है. ओके, तो मैं आपको एक छोटे से रोल प्ले में लेके जाता हूँ, ठीक है. सैमसंग एंड व्हेन आई गिव आईफोन एग्जांपल, आई गिव not as an organization example, I gave the example as a product is concerned.
As a product.
And that example is for like C Power and Omega Beta. So this is the product example, not the organization example. Okay. Now you are asking one step higher, how I am going to play out with the organization. You are saying I am going to work with the organization and then I look at the product. Am I right or not? Okay. So again I am saying the thing is like this. Till yesterday you were saying L&T and Schneider, and then you go and moving to the customer because they both are working separately. Am I right? Today also we are working in the same way. Our legal entity is SCIP. So when you are going to the customer, say you are going to a customer, say rolling mill application. Now if you are going to rolling mill, you are saying that rolling mill customer will tell you which make he is going to use. He will say, I will use Schneider. Schneider is acceptable to me, L&T is acceptable to me, X acceptable to Y acceptable to me. Now, as far as you are concerned, Vikram Bhai, you will see that which make you are comfortable. You are comfortable with L&T or you are comfortable with Schneider. So you will tell customer, sir, I will give you L&T products with the L&T Omega breakers, L&T C Power breaker, D-Sign and FNX switches and all those things. If customer says okay, it is right. If customer says no, you give me some other make, you will use this make, or you will try to convince L&T make on the basis of our relationship with you. अगर विक्रम भाई का नरेश कुमार से बहुत अच्छा रिलेशन है, विक्रम भाई को मालूम है कि नरेश कुमार को फोन करूंगा और मेरा काम तुरंत हो जाएगा, विक्रम भाई कहेंगे नहीं साहब L&T लगा लो, मैं आपको पूरी गारंटी देता हूँ, ये आपका प्रोडक्ट सही चलेगा, आपको ये रहेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, स्पेयर्स मिलेंगे, आफ्टर सेल सर्विस मिलेगी. तो ये कब होगा? जब हम आपके साथ जुड़ के बहुत अच्छी तरीके से काम करेंगे. When you are working with you and giving you the continuous confidence that yes, we are there behind you and you go ahead with this. So I'm saying it is up to you. It is your choice. And again, I'm saying 4 tick box, that you will put the tick box in your mind and say that, okay, I'm going to push this make or I'm going to push this make, whichever you see the value. Suppose it becomes 1, then you will not have a choice. So what you will do, you will say, oh yaar, L&T तो मिलेगा नहीं, क्या करूं यार, अब तो Schneider ही लगाना पड़ेगा, या X लगाना पड़ेगा, या Y लगाना पड़ेगा. But today you have that, yes, I have got my full friends, L&T friends, channels, everything. I can still use this product and I can communicate to them.
Yes. Okay. Got it, sir. Got it, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Naresh. Thank you, you have answered the question.
Okay, we are running short of time now, so it will be the last question. So I request anyone.
Ramni ji is there.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
Ramni ji, please.
Hello.
Mr. Naresh,
Yeah.
Mr. Sabnis, you want to go ahead? Go ahead.
Yeah, please, Mr.
I
Sabnis.
wanted to know that L&T was conducting training programs from their training centers in the country. So I think there are 3 or 4 training centers. Now, is that actually
Six.
being
We have
taken
6.
up by Schneider, or is it still with L&T?
Yeah, it is a part of L&T. You see, Schneider and L&T now become a one company. So, but as far as the training centers are concerned, it is a part of a L&T Electrical Automation, because this is one of the area where we have got a strength.
So it is still. Is it
It
still
is
with
with me.
L&T or is it with Schneider, L&T under Schneider?
It is with me, sir. आपका आंसर मैं इस तरह से देता हूँ, मेरे पास है.
So it is with L&T or with Schneider, correct, sir?
It is with L&T, it is with me. So you want to use anytime training center, please call us, we will help you.
Okay. Yeah, Ramani sir, please.
Yeah, I was just wanting to understand the culture of Schneider Electric is, its own unique culture, and similarly for L&T, there is a different kind of a culture. Now, to amalgamate this culture, it is going to be a real big challenge. People think differently; they are differently, different kind of experiences they come to the table with. How exactly is Schneider taking initiative in the direction of aligning these cultures? How long do you think it is going to take, and what is the kind of frequency of interactions you're going to be having between the two companies to ensure that come the 5th year, then the strategies are going to be aligned and the company is going to be one?
Okay, you have asked a very intellectual question, sir. Okay, and for that, if I have to answer, it take 1 hour. Okay, but I'll try to manage you because I'm a part of the steering committee and one of the member of this cultural transformation of these two organizations. So that's why I'm saying be a very big question, but I'll try to manage within 4 or 5 minutes. Do we have the time? So I'll answer it. So what is? Let us start with the basic question. What is the culture? Culture is nothing but your behavior, your interaction or actions within the organization, and your values. What you give the values to the system. Now look at both the organizations very closely. Both the organizations are very customer-centric organization. If you look at the marketplace, both of us used to fight like anything. Only two makes it to fight like bitter fighting between Schneider and L&T. Most of the panel builders would have seen. So one common is the customer centricity. The second thing which has to be, now we are going to create a purpose for this, and the purpose can be how we are going to create a very digital experience for the customer. Am I right or not? So that is the second thing which we'll create. Third thing, how we have to create a common purpose for the organization. Now, what can be the common purpose of the organization? Common purpose of the organization can be how energy can be used very efficiently. How the people can work from the remote operation because of this COVID-19 situation. Most of the people are using digital. So I'm saying if you start creating a very different a common shared values, a common purpose, and you can start seeing the behaviors and actions inside the organization in the same way, I think the culture will be transformed. But the basic thing is that fortunate part is that both are customer centric. So I'm saying with this around, we will wrapping around all those things, the shared values, behaviors, actions, as well as common purpose. And this is what we are going to find it out and we'll do. So both the organizations will work towards the same purpose, same goal. Maybe we have got a different way to reach it because ultimately what we are telling that we have to create a differentiated value. And when we have to create a differentiated values, it will come because of these reasons on this. So this is a very not a very easy subject. It is a quite time consuming subject. But the thing is that the direction is very clear to all of us that how by creating a common purpose, a shared values, customer centricity, common behavior, and then the whole customer sees us. For those, I'm saying top line or umbrella as a one organization. If you look at Larsen & Toubro also, Larsen & Toubro is a very diversified group. Is a $22 billion Indian company. Look at that, all the companies groups, whether it is a E&A or construction or defense or shipbuilding, all the people are say different. But you see, one common culture goes around this, what is called engineering solutions, with customer support solution, humbleness. I think these are the common culture which we have built up over a period of time. Similarly, for this organization also, we will build up a new culture which is very common and very close to the heart of the people as well as from our customers for that. So what we are going to do is that we have done the internal employee survey. We are going to do the customer survey. Then we are going to change something. Again, we are going to do the customer survey. So customer will be on the focus of this culture. and then we'll build up the culture around this. So you will see those kind of a transformation over a period of time. But yes, we are going to see that both the organizations start looking as far the main the purpose is same, but below them, then we have to see a very differentiated organization.
Thank you so much.
So when we can meet, you are in Bangalore, am I right?
That's right.
Yeah, I know you. You're a dada of this all companies. They approached you also for that sometime. Okay. So whenever I've been in Bangalore and this COVID gets over, I'll come and meet you because I wanted to visit your factory, but I could not make it because of the COVID. So next time I'll come and meet you. Thank you. And we'll have a long discussion on our cup of coffee. Yeah.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you
He
for
is
asking.
our director for Southern region.
Oh, nice to meet you. Yeah. Nice to talk to you. Yeah.
Yeah, Sriram bhai. Sriram bhai, you are mute, so please unmute.
Sorry, I'm sorry for that. There was one last question from Jayawal Marma, I think, which you already replied. He has asked whether we can have a combo of products in the one panel as a FAC of L&T and contact of Schneider. But I think you already replied it, that it means two different entities are going to run as usual. So we can't have that. So I think if any other questions are there, you can just send us so that we will send to Naresh Kumarji and his reply will be forwarded in the group. So that is the one thing. I think it's a time to conclude. It's more than 1 hour, 1 and 5 minutes, 1 or 5 minutes and more. So,
but it was a very engrossing. In fact, I was myself and Kaji Saab were discussing how much time, 15-20 minutes, and it has taken 1 hour. Very engrossing, and I could not find out that I spent 1 hour here. Thank you.
Actually,
thank you very much.
Nareshji, we controlled our questions to not to take more. Otherwise,
I would have loved it to.
So Ramani sir and myself, we can take the question to the 3 hours also.
Okay. Satish bhai want to speak something.
Please.
Hello, Nareshji.
Yes.
I being out and out L&T man, I have really loved your talk today about retaining L&T brand and kind of model numbers for lifetime. Even if it means lifetime, may mean 10 years, it is good enough for me because I'm already 81 now. So
No, you will be there. We will celebrate you. We will have a cake cut, sir, at 100 years. Don't worry.
Nareshji, I'll be happy to see it till the end of my life. And I must really appreciate your clarity of the things. Can you give us in very nutshell, what are the other verticals of T&A?
Yeah. So that is a good question, and sorry, I missed it out. I should explain to you. So L&T Electrical and Automation has got electrical standard products, which I'm responsible for that, which is essentially dealing with the partnership business, like panel builders, channel partners, system integrators, and all. The second business is electrical standard equipment division, what we used to call lovely in olden days Suite C. Means they are basically selling panel solutions like TRR, TF, TQ, and mostly to the large, big chemical plants, steel plant, aluminum plants, power plants, and all those things, Reliance kind of industry or NTPC and all. The third business is what we have called control and automation business. They are in the automation business. They are also, I can say, they are the large system integrators. So they take product from us, they take the product from others, and they integrate for big they do the variety of automation business. They do the industrial automation business, like any industry where the automation is required, including SCADA, like Mumbai Airport, like building a residential like Mumbai Airport. They have done full on iVision platform automation. Then they do also metering automation solution like Indore Smart City, whole metering is being done by them. So these are the things which our control and automation business does. And the fourth unit is what we have in India is metering solution business, where we are selling large number of meters like solar meters, ABT meters, utility meters and all. Apart from that, we have L&T Electrical Automation has got our R&D, which has got full-fledged development of the product for all these three units. And then we have international units we have called TAMCO. TAMCO is basically all for medium voltage switchgear, and BBT, epoxy BBT, what we took from Henny-Kono is a part of a TAMCO. And this is for international market, because medium voltage in India, we are manufacturing at Ahmednagar, not we are sourcing from TAMCO. So TAMCO is essentially for international market for medium voltage and BBT. And then we have a factory at Saudi Arabia, KSA. There we are manufacturing all panel boards. That is also for Africa and Gulf market. And then we have an automation business at Shahjahan. So these are all the part of L&T Electrical and Automation. And all vertical heads of all the heads of these businesses are reporting directly to the CEO of Schneider Electric, and who is Mr. Anil Chaudhary.
Thank you.
Sir, are you into medium voltage also? 11 kV, 33 kV VCBs? Can I ask you this?
Very much, sir. We are selling large number of medium voltage and 33 kV, 11 kV GIS and AIS both.
Okay, that's up to 33 kV, not more than that. Up to 33.
Not more than 33 kV and RMUs and compact substation. So
Okay.
CSS, RMU, MV, NLV, and all we are manufacturing at Ahmednagar factory in Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir. I think अच्छी चीज को भी कुछ अंत होना चाहिए. So
Yes.
good things has to come to an end. So it's time to offer a vote of thanks. But vote of thanks generally हम गेस्ट को देते हैं, लेकिन आपकी बात सुन के लगा कि आप अपने घर वाले ही हो, and you are very close to our president, our chairman. So एक अपना क्या बोलते हैं, जो अपनी परंपरा है उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए मैं आपको खाली वोट ऑफ थैंक्स दे रहा हूँ, लेकिन इसके आगे भी हम मिलते रहेंगे और साथ में जुड़े रहेंगे.
Sriram, 1 minute. Sriram, from today, there are some new members from Kerala.
Sir, I am coming to it. Sir, let me complete, then you are most welcome. Please complete.
Yes,
Let me
please,
complete.
please. Okay.
I'm sorry. Sir, so thanks for that. It was a great knowledge sharing. और India wants to know जो क्या होना था,
Yeah.
और आपने clearly बता दिया. So thanks for clarification. Now I welcome Mr. Eldino Thomas, who is our new member from Kerala. So उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजा रहा हूँ. And special efforts done by Mr. Dipesh sir. So hats off to you also. We will be starting up our Kerala chapter, and we are looking at least 30 members in this coming week time. So now Cosma is from Kerala to the Assam. Mr. Virendra Singh is also here with he's very much active in our program, and Mr. Dipesh from Kerala is also active in our program. So there is an actual pan-India, you can say, contribution from our members from Cosma. So that is one thing. And again, our stalwarts, Satish Kaji sir, Joseph sir, and everyone others, I will not name because एक किसका नाम भूल गया तो इनके साथ थोड़ी मेरी ये हो जाएगी. So Vijay sir, everyone has joined us the program, and they are all appreciated it. So thanks for everyone, all the stalwarts, all the Cosma members who have taken time. It was a second consecutive Sunday we took the program. Last week we had our Ram Gopal ji हमारे साथ में थे, काबरा जी from RR. We had a beautiful talk. उनका 1.5 घंटे का पूरा लेक्चर सुन के अभी हम उनके मतलब मंत्रित हुए थे, और अभी आपका सुन लिया. So still there were more than or approximately 46 to 50 participants for this today's program also. So it's a grand success for Cosmo also, and for Naresh Kumarji and L&T also. Now I come to the conclusion part. I think Anand sir, should I conclude now?
Sorry, Sriram sir.
Yeah.
We have some of members also from Kerala.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, Mr. Madhu also. Madhu is Bharat partner.
Okay.
Then Mr. Sunil, Power
Okay.
India,
Okay.
and Shiju from Ringless.
Okay,
All are
sir.
frontline panel manufacturers.
Okay, great, sir.
They are also in the program, and I
Okay.
could not see
welcome.
some names also. So
Okay, sir, I'm sorry, I missed
anybody
out.
Yeah, anybody
I'm very
missing?
sorry.
Sorry for that. I cannot see the names.
because I read Mr. Thomas' name and I was aware that he's from Kerala,
No
so I
problem,
took
no
his
problem.
name. Yeah, I saw his photo also. So I'm sorry if I missed the name. So all are most welcome, and I hope you will be a part of Cosmos, and we will have a great programs like this in coming time. So in just to, I think Anand, should I permit to conclude the program?
No, sir, no. There is one program pending. That is Smiling Face photo
No,
program.
no, no. That will become afterwards.
Okay, okay.
So
That is a Vishal job. Is a very nice.
Vishal, you
And
can,
Sriramji,
yeah.
one more thing. I expect when next time they can introduce themselves and their companies about their
Surely, surely.
companies.
Yeah,
Sure,
yeah. We
right?
will take a
Yeah.
time for that. Surely, sir.
Yeah.
Thanks for that.
Okay. Thank you.
So it's a time for Vishal. You can take the smiling picture. Whether I will be going to conclude and what I talk, I will just give a glimpse of that. Vishal, you can click the smiling photograph, please. Thank you. So, as Naresh Kumar sir said, time is inevitable. समय बड़ा बलवान है और समय के साथ हमको चलना है. अगर हम लोग रोटी भी सेकी हुई घुमाएंगे नहीं तो जल जाती है. ये हिसाब से I think this thing L&T Automation and Schneider have understood very well, and so now all the electrical community. So we have to go with the time. The brand of L&T that will be with Schneider Electric or with automation for 5 years. But the brand category like CNCS, M2Z, and DL, DM for contactors and anything, that is going to be a lifelong. Am I right, sir? That is going to run for a lifelong. And we, the customers or the market, is going to decide which category is going to run and is going to win the race. So race is started. I think it is just started with, you can say, it's a complete positive race, and everyone will be focusing on his own performance. So पीछे देख के देखने वाला नहीं है कि कौन कितना पीछे आ रहा है, उसको अपना टारगेट अचीव करने के लिए तेज दौड़ना है. बराबर सर? So and as Naresh Kumar ji said, customer is the king. That is the culture of both L&T as well as Schneider. वहां जाने के रास्ते थोड़े थोड़े अलग हो सकते हैं, लेकिन दोनों सोच के सही रास्ते पे अपने पूरे इंडिया को और अपने इंडस्ट्री को वहां तक लेके जाएंगे, इसका मुझे पूरा विश्वास है. With these words, I think I conclude the today's program. Again, special thanks to Naresh Kumar ji.
And thank you to all of you.
सर को मिलेंगे, वैसे हम आपको भी जल्दी मिल जाएंगे. So we will be doing a lot of good programs henceforth. So with this word, I thanks and I announce that the program is over. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for giving us the opportunity for hearing us, and we look for your continued support, love, and affection. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Naresh.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
all. Thank you. Bye.
Vishal ji, you can just stop the program.
I can log off now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes.
Please. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.